everyone, Quickle Pickle here, and today's video is about a period of Egypt. So far, all of the God of Egypt videos have been about the gods of Egypt. However, today's video is about when Egypt changed from polytheism, the worship of multiple gods, to monotheism, the worship to one. With that said, let's get started. With almost every single modern religion, there is only one God. However, ancient Egyptian, Greek, and Roman religions, as well as modern Taoism, Shintoism, and Hinduism, are all polytheistic. Ancient Egypt, during a time known as the Amarna Period, was a monotheistic religion. For 17 years, Amenhotep IV was the pharaoh. However, he did not support the gods. Since the pharaoh was the ruler of religions in Egypt as well, Amenhotep IV created Aten. Additionally, he changed his name to Akhenaten to support Aten. The Amarna period was named because of his fear of people attacking him for changing their religion. Akhenaten changed the capital of Egypt to a new city called Amarna. In the Amarna period, the former temples were closed, and in Amarna, temples for Aten were created. Another massive change is the art style. With the Amarna art, drawings were more realistic, whereas the old style was more cartoonish. For example, in Amarna art, you could see that Akhenaten was most likely slightly deformed. Aten was another strange addition to this period of Egypt. He was simply the sun, but had hands spreading out and gently touching the people of Egypt. Aten was the supreme power of order. When Akhenaten died, his son, Tutankhaten, took over. The Egyptians were very mad at Aten still. Tutankhaten decided to revert back to polytheism. He changed his name to Tutankhamen, better known as King Tut, and moved the capital back to Thebes. However, his throne had a depiction of Aten on it, so maybe Tut never let go of Amarna. Thanks for watching. Check out Crafty Cabbage. He makes really cool DIY tutorials. Check out my website. There is currently an exclusive video on Memphis, so you definitely want to go check that out. It's quicklepickle@weebly.com. Share this video with your friends and family. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time on Quickle Pickle. Goodbye!